our channel. Today we try to see how to use a digital multimeter, friends. So this is a cost budget multimeter, friends. So how to use for a DIY projects, friends. So this is the multimeter, and this is the red and a black cable, friends. So this black cable we need to connect to the COM, this knob, and this red we try to connect over to this, friends. So you can see it onto this, and this multimeter is in the off mode. So this part you can see the DC voltage, friends. So this doesn't have it as an auto select, but we need to see the range. So this is a 200 millivolts, friends. This is a 2000 millivolts, friends. This is a 20 volts, friends, and this is 200, and this is 1000. So we need to select the range based on the input source. So first we need to guess, and if it's overflow, then we need to shift, friends. The second one you can see it over here. It is the resistance, friends. So how much resistance? So this is the ohm symbol, friends. Ohm symbol, friends. Okay. So here you can see ohm symbol, friends, and this you can select the resistor, friends. So this, the top of this one is the voltage, friends. This is 20 volts, 200 and 20 and 200 and 1000. So this is the voltage, DC voltage, and this is the resistance. And so here you can see the LED and the diode symbol, friends. So in this mode we can see the LED and diode, friends. And now you can see this is called as HFE. So in this case we need to check the NPN and PNP transistor is working or not. And this is the current measurement, friends. So this is the current, either DC current, and this is the 10 amperes current we can check. And this mode we can set the AC voltage, friends. So now let us see how to check or how to use one by one. So I am keeping over here, friends, and I am putting on to the voltage mode, friend, and now I am selecting the battery, friends. So now this battery is a positive and this is the negative. So I am taking the positive terminal onto the positive and the negative or the ground onto the negative. So you can see this is the overflow, friends. This is the overflow. So now I have to adjust to the next stage, friends. So this next stage I have selected. So it was showing at 7.47 volts. Battery is now it is having a 7.47 volt, friends. So now I am taking and moving aside. I am selecting as an 1.5 volts, friends. So now this is the positive, and this is the, so now you can see it, friends, 1.5. So now you can see. Now if you downgrade, it is there in 200 millivolts. So you can see 1503. So this is the milli. So if you convert it to the volts, friends, then it is 1.5 volts. So now if I move to the milli, so you can see this is overflow. So it doesn't measure. So we need to increase. So like this. Here also if you get so overflow, so now you need to increase. Now you can see 1.5. So like this we can measure the voltage up to the 200 and 1000 volts, friends. So I am keeping over here. So next I am selecting the resistors, friends. I am selecting the few of the resistors from whatever I have. So I have selected the few of them. So now here is the task how to measure the resistors. What is the value of that one? So I am keeping this aside and I am selecting a few of them, friends. Okay, so now let us see. But that I have to keep in the resistor mode, and now I need to see. I am selecting this one and I am touching this as one end, and the other end I am selecting. So you can see, friends, 11.1 or 11 ohms, friends. So it is typically 11 ohms. So now let us see how much resistance is there this thing. So this is 1 ohm. So if you subtract the 1 ohm from this, you will get it as a 10 ohm, friends. So this is 10 ohm resistance. So now let us take the other one. So I am connecting over here and I am touching the other side. So this is overflowing. So this we need to adjust upper range. The second one. So we need to see it over here, friend. So this is 983, or you can see 982, friends. So this is 980. So this is typically 1000 ohms, friends. So in this case we are selected into the 2000 ohms. So it was reading to the 1000 ohms, friends. So now let me select the other one. So now, so this is 790 or 800 ohms, friends. 790 or 800 ohms, friends. Now let us select as an 10K and we try to see it. So this is overflow, friends. So now I am moving on to the 20K. See, this is waiting friends. 9.81, so it is almost 10k friends. So now let us select one more thing and close this exercise friends. This is the one terminal I need to touch, other terminal I should not touch. So here it is downgrade because it's going point. So now it is 220 ohms friends. So this one you can use for connecting with LED. So this is a 220 ohms friends. So with this the resistor checking part is completed. So now let us move to the diode friends. So this diode. So in this one we try to see how the diode. So the diode is here. So this symbol is there. So this is the cathode and this is the anode. This symbol will be there. This is the cathode and this is the anode. So now anode I am giving as positive and cathode I am giving as a negative friends. So you can connect. So it was telling us 570 580 ohms friends. Now I have to interchange. So it should show it as overload. So then it's working friends. Now if I rotate, it has to show the resistance something like 500 580 570. So then it is working. Now let me take one LED. The longer terminal is anode, the shorter terminal is cathode. So now let me check anode. Positive to positive, negative to negative. See friends, the LED is glowing. Now I want to opposite the direction, so it is not. So like this we can test whether LED is working or not by putting the strip onto the LED and diode mode. Now let us check the PNP transistor. For this one we have to put it in a HFE mode friends. So this is BC547 and this is the NPN transistor. So as everybody knows, this is the middle one is the base, this is the emitter and this is the collector. So now I am taking over here and I was connecting to like this emitter, base and collector friends. So now you can see emitter, middle one is base, the last one is collector. You can see the gain is 386. So if the gain is coming, it is working. So if it is not, so let me change it in other direction friends. So like this, if I'm putting like this, any three, see here it is not. So properly we need to select. First one is the emitter, second one will be the base and third one will be the collector. So if you put it and press it, and you can see it, otherwise it will try to generate the ground voltage. Like this we can test the transistor friend. So with this, in this one we are closing. So now let us see the AC voltage, how we need to measure. For that we are moving on to the AC voltage trend. So you can see here it is 238 volts. So now we put it into the AC voltage. So here it is. So in this video we have seen how to use the multimeter to measure the DC voltage of an battery and how to measure the resistors, ohms resistor value, and we have seen how to see a diode or LED is working or not, and how to check the gain of NPN and PNP transistors, and along with that one we have seen the AC voltage measurement. If you like my content and if you share and if you like my presentation, please share, comment and subscribe. If you have any doubts, please write in the comment section. I will get back to you. Thank you friends. Have a great day.